Hey, it's Bob from Bob's Computer Service, and welcome to another Windows Wednesday. Today, I'm going to show you one of the easiest ways to clean up junk files on your PC and free up space, and it's already built into Windows 11. Let's run disk cleanup. First, we're going to open up the Start menu either by pressing the Start button or the Windows key, and we're going to just type in disk cleanup, and it already populates, and we're going to hit disk cleanup. And we're going to clean the C drive because that's where Windows lives, and click OK. Alright, and it gives us a lot of different options of what we can do, click on. And if you don't know what something is going to do, don't click it. And I do know what these things are. I'm going to just run through them pretty easy. And if you want a deeper clean, you can go to Clean Up System Files. And we're going to hit OK, and it's just going to do a rescan just to see what's available. And we are not going to do any of that stuff just for time's sake, but it will clean up the Windows Update files that it downloads. And we're going to hit OK, and it should go pretty quick, so we can probably do it in real time. And we're just going to go OK, and it does tell us what the amount of space it's going to delete. It's about 24 megabytes. And again, if you're unsure of anything that you should be deleting, don't delete it. And we're just going to hit OK, and we are going to hit Delete Files, and it's going to run through this. And it is see, very quick. And that's it. It's quick, it's safe, and can free up a surprising amount of space. If your computer's been running slow or you're running out of space, it's a great first step. Thanks for watching Windows Wednesday. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you next week. Hey, it's Bob from Bob's Computer